The whole world has sounded the alarm on AI, saying that it'll take your job, but what if we could leverage AI to build immense wealth? Paul James here, and in this video, I'll show you how to get rich with AI using proven strategies I've personally used to boost my income. Okay, so one of the great services that you can start off by making money with AI is by becoming an AI consultant. And what that basically means is that you work with business owners to basically help them with any aspect of AI that they might need help with. It might be helping them come up with content on their website. It might be helping them deploy things like a chatbot on the side of their website. It might be helping them set up chatbot flows within their social media that looks something like this. But you can make a ton of money by offering consulting services to business owners who need help with AI and they just don't really know how to implement it, because let's face it, as AI is taking off, tons of business owners, they want to take advantage of it, they just don't know how, and that's where you can become an expert. Now, there's websites out there like Upwork.com where you can actually go and list yourself as an AI consultant or an AI expert even, and you can take on small tasks from setting up chatbots to setting up ChatGPT to help them write content, to setting up even things like this, adding chatbots to their website that will help book appointments for them. So I'd highly encourage you, if you want to become an AI consultant, that would be the best way to get started with that. Also, if you check out the link in the description of this video, I have an entire strategy based around becoming an AI consultant, and you can learn more about that using the link in the description of this video. Which brings me to my next point. You can develop an AI product and actually pitch yourself as a software. So at this website, HighLevelSecret.com, they allow you, rather than to build your own software, which would be incredibly time consuming to like go out there and build a whole software as a service business, right? You can actually leverage their software and resell it as your own. So for example, we're talking about setting up a chatbot, a conversational AI chatbot. So what these chatbots are designed to do is you place them on a website, and then when someone comes here, it drives them to book an appointment. So it would drive them to book an appointment to get a plumber out to their home. So at HighLevelSecret.com, what you can actually do is you can resell this conversational AI. And it's basically just simply putting this chat on their website with a line of code. You just copy and paste it onto their website. But all you have to do is come into here and select what you want to sell it for. So let's say we want to sell it for $550. We will make, because we have to pay them a cut of it to resell the software basically, we will make $501 profit by just offering that service. So what this allows us to do is now we are a software company, but we didn't have to go out there and build the software. We can just resell their AI software, which is awesome. So HighLevelSecret.com is a good place to do that if you're interested in getting into AI. As a software developer, that is the best way to do it. ManyChat is another great place to set up chatbots for actually social media. So I have this chatbot set up on my Instagram where when someone comes and comments, it goes and it comments back to their comment and says, hey, check your DMs, I DM'd you something, and then it sends them off a message. Okay, when they tap yes on the message, it sends them to a free training. So you could get paid up to $1,000 by just setting something like this up for a business owner. In fact, I did another full video on setting up chatbots, which you can check out on my channel if this type of strategy interests you as well. And then the other strategy that I really want to talk about with you is the strategy of helping people use ChatGPT to put content on their website. So if you find a website that you come across, and like, let's say this one, if you check out the services, they have other services listed that they do, like carpentry, like painting, like maintenance, but they don't actually have any content for it. So what we could do is we could offer to create content for their website, for these pages on their website, to fill it out basically. And we can use ChatGPT to do that. So we can go into ChatGPT and say, Chat, we are a painting company in Cedarburg, Wisconsin called A1 Painting, and we would like you to write a 500-word article with a professional tone about residential exterior painting that we offer. And just like that, Chat will then go and update and write an article for us, and we can charge the business to help facilitate this process so that they can better rank in the area and also get more customers by putting more content on their website. So these are some different business model opportunities that you can use that I've personally used to make a lot of money with AI. So you don't have to worry about AI replacing your job. In fact, you should embrace it and use AI to make even more money than you ever thought possible. Once you start leveraging the power of AI to make money, your pockets will be loaded. And if you want to know exactly how to use an AI chatbot, how to create one, make sure you check out this other video that I've created. Also, I do have a link to an urgent training I'm holding where you can learn how to use AI to land $5,000 a month clients like clockwork. So go check that out. It's in the first link in the description of this video. Anyways, make sure that you subscribe and make sure you like this video and leave a comment. I will see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.